Hi all, I am Alex and welcome to my MWR Life review. If you're thinking about joining MWR Life, pause this video for 2 seconds. What if I told you there's a membership that claims it can save you hundreds, sometimes thousands, on travel, shopping, and everyday expenses, but also has people arguing online about whether it's actually worth it? Today, I'm breaking down MWR Life, what it is, how it works, what I liked, what I didn't like, and whether I think it's worth your money. Why should you listen to me? I've been at this for over 2 years and tried more programs than I can count. I've made the mistakes, seen what actually works for beginners, and figured out what's a waste of time. If you are curious about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. So, what is MWR Life? MWR Life is basically a membership-based savings platform. You pay a monthly fee, and in return, you get access to travel discounts, shopping rewards, lifestyle perks, and some cashback-style benefits. They also have a referral program where members can earn commissions by inviting others to join. This video is not sponsored. I'm just giving you my honest breakdown so you can decide if it makes sense for you. Here's how it works in simple terms. You sign up, then you pay a monthly fee. Then you get access to a members-only portal. Inside that portal, you can book hotels and travel at discounted rates, earn cash back on shopping, access lifestyle perks and deals, and if you choose, refer other people and earn commissions. So the value really depends on 2 things: how much you actually use the benefits, whether you're interested in the referral side or not. What I like about MWR Life. Let's start with the positives, because there are some. Travel discounts. If you travel often, the hotel discounts can be noticeable. Some deals are genuinely cheaper than what you'll find on big booking websites, but not always, so you still have to compare prices. Cashback and shopping perks. The cashback feature is nice for stuff you're already buying anyway, like online shopping or gift cards. If you're consistent, those little percentages can add up over time. Potential to earn. If you're the type of person who enjoys sharing tools with others, the referral system can be attractive. It's not automatic money, but if you already have a network or audience, it can make sense. The downsides. Now let's talk about the parts people don't like to mention. Monthly fee. You're paying every month whether you use it or not. If you don't travel much or don't shop through the platform regularly, you might actually lose money overall. Referral pressure. Some people feel uncomfortable with the referral model. If you join just for the savings, cool. But if you join mainly because someone sold you on easy money, I think that's where disappointment happens. Takes effort to get value. This is not passive savings. You have to log in, look for deals, compare prices, actually use the platform. If you're lazy with it, it won't pay off. Who is this actually for? In my opinion, MWR Life makes sense for people who travel multiple times a year, people who already use cashback platforms, people who are disciplined about using memberships they pay for, content creators or networkers who might use the referral side ethically. It's probably not great for people who rarely travel, people who forget about subscriptions, people expecting fast, easy income, people who hate comparing prices. So, is MWR Life a scam? No, it's a real service with real perks. But is it for everyone? Also no. If you're strategic and actually use the benefits, it can be worth the monthly fee. If you sign up and never log in, you're just paying for hope. I'm curious, would you use something like this? Drop a comment. Are memberships like this worth it to you, or do you prefer booking things on your own? If this breakdown helped you make a smarter decision, hit the like button, and I'll catch you in the next review. If this isn't for you, no worries. Check out the free gift in the description and pinned comment below. It's what's worked best for me. That's all for me for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!